What's up, guys? Welcome back to React Native Components. This is the first in this series, and in this video we're going to cover the view, arguably the most important and, according to the website, the most fundamental component when it comes to building UIs for React Native applications. There are actually a ton of props that you can utilize and access when using views in React Native. Of course, the one that pretty much everybody uses is going to be style, and style contains all of the style code that we're going to use for borders and spacing and background colors and things of that nature. So the view, when it comes to sort of what they are and how they work, a view is just a container. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up Photoshop and just open a new document here. Actually, you know what? So this is my logo. This is the CodeFrag logo, right? And what I'm going to do here is go ahead and turn off the grid and have you see this. Just gonna go ahead and do a selection here. Let me do this. Okay. A view in React Native is a container. In iOS, it produces a UI view. In HTML or AK Web, it produces a div, and in Android, it produces an Android.view or Android.UI.view, whatever the path to that particular package is. Anyway, so the view is a container, and it's like a box that can have other boxes in it. So in this particular instance, this entire screen could be considered the view. And then this selection area would be a child view of this larger area, the whole image, if you will. Then, of course, all of the content within this inner view consists of a text node here and an icon node here. Okay, so we'll get into icons later. Icons are actually custom components and are dependent on the material pack that you intend to use. So I want to try to get into like the super deep, super technical explanations of how these components work, but it doesn't really get any simpler than view. So, view it's a great component, and it can take any number of components within itself, and it is also the root for a lot of the custom components. For example, if we wanted to have a map view, the reason we have map view is because the map view component is it is an extension of the view component. And the same thing happens with list view. It is an extension of the view component. And really anything you see here that has a suffix of view is a subclass of the view component. So, we've done plenty of demonstrations with the view component, so I really don't feel that we need to go into it too much and do any demonstrations with it. I will do some for the next couple of ones, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I know it's very short, not terribly informative. If you have any questions about Vue specifically, please do leave a comment. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And as always, this is Josh from CodeFrag, and I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, and believe it or not, I actually really appreciate it when you ask questions too, because it tells me what I need to cover and things that I need to do better. So thanks, guys.